Hey everyone, my name is Katie. I'm from St. Augustine, Florida. I just picked up this 2023 Harley Street Bob and I needed saddlebags. So I picked up these detachable incognito bags from Vikingbags. This side is actually considered an extra small and this side is considered a small size, which is more of a larger size. They are detachable, so let's take a look. So my husband had already mounted it with these brackets. The installation maybe took 20-30 minutes combined for both sides. Each side included a bracket, some spacers, some screws, very basic tools needed. Everyone should have them in their garage. So to unattach them, there is this pull string. Let me go around so you can see it better. Alright, so to unattach it, you're just going to pull on this string and it has a lever right there which automatically engages that locking and unlocking mechanism. So you're going to pull it, kind of grab it from the bottom and kind of shift it up and over to the right. It is new, so it does stick a little bit. As you of course use it, it will definitely loosen up for you. So this is the extra small size. It is reflective. It is made of a canvas and a leather material. They are definitely waterproof and we definitely need that in Florida. So it does have these extra straps and loops over here on the side so you can adjust it. You can kind of loosen it up, adjust them out. You can add something like extra gear to strap into it, and then there's these extra little grooves right here for whatever necessities you might need. Lock it back in, and then over here, so it's got a hard metal clasp right here, so it's very durable. You open it up, it does have Velcro. There is a zipper right here, so you can put registration, perfume, lip gloss, whatever you might need. There are some keys right here. The bags are lockable, so if you're at a bike fest and you need to walk into a restaurant, you can easily lock your stuff up and not have to worry about anything. Inside the bag, it is this weather resistant vinyl type material. It does have a lock. You open it up, there's this hard Velcro, which kind of just gives it extra security, just to make sure that it is locked when you fold it in for the weatherproof. So inside the bag, it is pretty deep, for this is the extra small size. I couldn't even begin to tell you how much stuff I could probably get in here. Inside the bag, you also do get some carry handles or shoulder straps. So if you wanted to carry it on your shoulder, you have these straps, loop them on the side and carry it on your side as a shoulder bag, crossbody, whatever you might need. When you're all ready to go, lock it up and you can fold it all in. Depending on what stuff it is, it's definitely going to be weather resistant again. And of course you don't even have to use that bag, you could just stuff stuff in right in on top. Lock it back in. Pick it up, and each bag is probably maybe 2 pounds. They're not heavy at all. You're gonna lock it in, kind of go to the right. There's 3 little locks, so you just kind of put it in and it just snaps in. So the small size, which is a larger size, it's the same concept. You have the pull string, the little lever to kind of disengage it. You're gonna pull up. Remember, again, these are new. Sometimes you gotta give it a little push. So this is much deeper. It is the same canvas and leather material. Still has the straps on each side. I have yet to take it out yet, so they're still very new. But you can open it up, attach things. You have these little side grooves that you can also use. Lock it in, tighten it. These straps are adjustable on each side. You have the hard metal locking clasp again. You open it up. We have another zippered pouch and some more keys. More stuff to lock away. This bag is also weather resistant, waterproof. So you have that same material, same bag. This size is actually big enough for a laptop. So if you are a traveler, if you do use this as your daily commute, there is a strap inside where there's the laptop protectant bag. It's kind of hard to see, so hopefully you can kind of get a glimpse. But there is this extra little divider that's thicker to protect that laptop. And it has this Velcro enclosure that you just strap in, and of course you can add whatever other necessities you might need. When you're ready to pack it up, you just kind of close it tight, lock it, fold accordingly. You kind of just tuck it in. You could probably put a good size helmet in this bag, shoes, extra rain gear, extra clothing, a hoodie if it's cold, whatever you might need. When you're done, lock it back up. And it does have a carry handle, and this also has a carry strap where you could strap it. This bag is a little bit heavier, maybe 5-6 poundish. So you probably wouldn't want to carry this so much like the other bag, but you do have that option. And then you just kind of line up on the brackets. Actually, come over and take a look at the brackets while I have the bag off. So this is the bracket that comes with the installation, and then the bolts and screws and spacers, and you get that unit from the other side as well. So when you want to attach it, you kind of just come in at an angle. And you go down until it locks into place. And you're all set.